हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम फ्रीलांसर माधवी एंड आज जो हम टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो बेस्ड है परचेस क्रेडिट मेमो पर। परचेस क्रेडिट मेमो मीन्स a debit note which we are going to create for a particular against a particular vendor. And here I have already created the header area. I have already created a document and assigned the vendor, and now for raising a credit note I need to know the reason why we are creating this. The reason is some slight different in the price changes from the posted invoice, the last booked invoice against this vendor, and which he is supplying for to me. That posted invoice have some changes on the price, so we are raising a debit note uh, to save the that references about the price changes. So I'm going to create a credit note against this supplier, and after raising this we can send via mail to inform this vendor about the debit note. So in the system, in the Navision system, हम यहाँ एक स्क्रीन पर एक डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट करेंगे with the help of clicking on new option. After clicking on new, we can find the auto generated number series. Then we can going to assign the party, and next, when at the time of selecting item we need to just check what is the requirement to reverse the whole document with all the impact, or with the physical quantity of item and the price changes, or we need only reverse the financials, the values, not the physical quantity of the item. So there is an option in the purchase and payables for the credit memo, uh, written received for the credit memo. This kind of options is available. If you checked that option, uh, with the effect of this option, when at the time of posting posting credit memo from this screen, system will auto uh, post a shipment entry also to get uh, update your shipment entry. But if you don't want to change your shipment entry, just ignore that option in the purchase and payable, and I'm showing you what kind of option is available to affect your shipment, purchase shipment. This is the written shipment on credit memo. If you disable this functionality after posting your purchase credit memo, system will not give any effect to the shipment entries on your physical entries. System will just pass a memo with the values. So you can deactivate if you want to give impact only on the values, but if you want to post a shipment entry also, you can activate it. So now back to my point, and the point is I'm using this document number to raise a credit note, and we have two options. If I want to nullify whole of the invoice, or I want to reverse, or I want to change on the some lines, particularly decided some one or two lines with the familiar, or the for the selected items. So I need to check the option. There is an option of copy document. You can use this option to reverse the whole posted invoice, and when you click, system will give you this screen. This is a copy document functionality. You can check the available option. I need only the posted invoice because I want to reverse the invoice posted. I want to reverse the impact of the posted invoice. So document type should be posted invoice only. Next, system will give you the option to select any posted invoices from the list. You can choose your invoice for which you have the information. Click on OK, and system will auto generate the other information. And there is two options, the header and the line. If you want to copy all the header area, like you have assigned taxations, also you have assigned some kind of charges also, so you no need to fill your header area. Just create the document and select the vendor and just click on the copy functionality, copy purchase document functionality. A system will auto populate and auto fill your header area by using this option. And if you want to recalculate your lines, item lines with the with the price changes values, so you can click on this also. Otherwise leave it as it is. So I'm going to change with the price, so I'm going to use this recalculate lines. Now I didn't click anything. Don't cancel, you need to click. You can enable both the option, or you can enable only one options as per your choice. If you want to fill all the header area manually, disable it. If you want to done by system, enable it. But after selecting the vendor number, it will work. Now for the price changes, I want to recalculate line, and now I need to work on the option. This is okay. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. Actually I have changed some particular vendor, so this now copying document line, and see, all the informations will be auto updated. I have chosen the this invoice, the posted invoice number 108034, and system will get all the information. You can check by clicking on the statistics, preview posting, all the available information you need to check. And so there is no statistics option, no issue. You can check with the detail tax if you are using VAT. If you are using GST as per the Indian localization, you can check, or you can also check for the preview posting. But system give this kind of message, you need to fill the information of reference invoice number. So where is the function to update? Yeah, update reference invoice number. GST group code is missing, no issue. Need to check because I have clicked on the option of recalculating lines. That's why system will not update it. So I need to show you the impact. Just hold on, and we will going to work it again. See, only include header, no need to click on the recalculate line. And what is the impact? See, that function is used for recalculating values. Means I want to use different rate, different taxations. So you saw the effect of that option. And now, and the first header option, include header, if you assign only the vendor and click on the copy document, system will auto populate all the history from the document, like GST assigned, what date, what date, what kind of structure you have assigned, and what and so more detail on the another fields like purchase code and something like that. So back to my point, and the point is system will auto populate the memo. We can check the preview posting. Oh, so need to assign the memo number, and the memo number is, you can check what number I have assigned. I think I have assigned the for test 001. So we can click on this and just click on the verify button to verify it, and we can also cross check by clicking here. See, 10803. This is the way to check. 108034, 108034, and the last one I have checked with the reference invoice number 108034. All are the same. So no need to waste our time, and we can post it. We can, before posting, we can check the preview of GL entry, preview of assigned another tables entry. So now is creating. See, I have the 5 lines for the GL entry, and you can check the GL name, GL account number, GL account name, the description, the values, and you can click on here. This is the ascending and descending button. See, without sign, this is debit, and with sign, this is a Navision functionality. Minus sign is representing credit side. Document type is credit memo, GL account number, GL account name, description, amount, balance account, and you can check the source code also, source type, vendor number, and type vendor, and the number of the vendor. You can check with the vendor code. So if this is source code is purchase, this means this is related with your purchase entries. And if this is showing inventory cost, it means it is involving your inventories. So now next, vendor ledger entry, item ledger entry, detailed vendor ledger entries with assigning the applying entries, value entries, and the taxation entries also. So we can check this kind of entries from this page. And the another query is, if we want to check if we have multiple item in a single invoice, then what will we do? So this solution will not work if we have the multiple item in a single invoice. So in this scenario, in this kind of scenario, we're going to choose this functionality, get posted document line to reverse. Use this functionality, check all the lines. See, this is the document type filter, posted received invoice. I need to use posted invoices. Document number, one document number contain only one GL account. This is a service related invoice. GL account, if you assign GL, this it means this is a service related bill, and if you assign item, it means this is related with goods related bill, item related bill. So document number 108033 and document number 108034 both are containing a single line. So we need to check for another vendor and for the another invoice. So we can change this with another vendor. Click on the name section. If you want to search by names, make it default. Click on the default, and next time system will auto work with the name only. So I need to fix it. Do you want to change the buy from vendor, pay to vendor, buy from vendor, from which from whom we are buying, and pay for whom we to pay. So next is our scenario. Our scenario is based on the guest posted document lines to reverse. See, this is what I want. Document number 108035 containing 3 lines, 2 for item and 1 for GL. And document number, this is the invoice number 1 containing 2 lines, invoice number 2, 3, 4 and so on. 3 is containing 4 lines for the item. So I need for the multiple, and multiple we can use document number 3. So I'm going to use this, and I only want to change on this item 1928-W ST modded storage unit drawers. So I need to change only this. So you can check this is not editable, so just select this line. If you want to assign multiple line, you can use control button and your cursor, select. This way you can select one or more lines, or you can select single, or you can select more by using this method, and click on it. OK. System will fetch 2 lines. See the reference, the lines, the receipt number behind this, and you can change all the things. You can change the values, you can change the quantity. If you want to raise for rate, if you want to raise this debit note for the 10 quantity for this particular item, you can change. This is then system will get information for the 10 quantity, and update also with the 10 quantity. And if you want to work with only the values, you can change the values, like if the price increases, so you can change the direct unit cost. This is the 13,330. You can change, like it's going 20 rupees excess, so 13,350, and system will auto calculate the values. You can assign another thing and just click on post. You can check the preview posting before posting. This is very helpful information. You can check with the GL entries. Every accountant should know this functionality to check the GL entries. Debit side showing with the without any sign, and credit side showing with the minus sign. This is the Navision functionality. And now close it, and after assigning taxation part, check the detailed tax. If you are working with VAT, if you are working with GST, you need to check the detailed GST. And now the best part is you can post this debit note, this credit memo. You can use this post button for posting the thing, or if you want to take a printout after posting for the same purchase credit memo for the same debit note, you can click on this post and print. System will give you a print also after posting this memo. So use this functionality and generate your report. But need to assign the taxation, and after assigning the taxation you can also customize or check availability of the statistics. And after checking the statistics, because statistics is the functionality in which you can check your taxation, how it is work. Statistics is the option through which the system calculate formula on the line amount. So now this is my debit note and we can save it. So after posting, where we can find posted purchase credit memo, posted purchase credit memo, and this is the one. You can check with the history, you can search by assigning the date, and my favorite is the assigning the date, the posting date. You need to check for the posting date. If we are using this, yeah, here it is. Need to assign T is representing the current date. Now current date, so I need to check for the last date 01/22. Now so I need to check in which date we have posted the invoice. This is the one, because I have printed the document. So this is the one, and the date issue was there, and the date was, oh, I haven't changed the date. This is my testing system, and the testing system was assigned with the work date of 26th May. So this will post against this date. So you can work this, you can use this functionality, you can work with this functionality. And yeah, this is the statistics button. By using this you can check your all kind of taxation, all kind of charges, all kind of amount, if this is working properly. Or you can check with another one, see the line amount, and if some taxation is also, see if the taxation is assigned, you can also check with the taxation also, the line amount, quantity into rate equal to value, the taxation amount, and the vendor part. And if you want to assign narration, if you want to assign comment, you can use the comment functionality on your purchase invoice screen also, and in your credit note screen also. You can assign comment, post comment, and view at the time of posting invoices in your print area. Thank you for watching.